Hello, Innaru. Hi everyone. Hi. Am I audible? Ella unnaru meer andariki. Sorry, tell me if everything is clear, and then we can start. Okay. Where is the sound coming from, sir? So this is the double sound that's coming, right? Okay, so done. How are you all? Good evening, Maitri. Very good evening. Good evening, all of you. So, అన్నారు కదా అందరికి. Yes. Give me 1 minute and then we'll start. Okay. So I think we're good to go. Are you all there? All there? Okay. Good. Very good, Sergi. Very good. So yeah, I think I'm visible now. I think I should be visible by now. No, it's getting too much of brightness. Yeah, that would be good. Okay. Hi. Yeah, Maitri, I'm fine. All of you. Hi, Gitanjali, Naina. Hi, Razia. Hi, Working. Spandana. Amulya, Lasya, Vaishu. Good evening. Chalo. So, good to start, right? Okasari like cheyandi video ni, and then we'll be starting with our session, right? Andariki. Darkness, right? Something like this. Hi, chalo. So who is telling, right? Hi, Shalini. Good evening, Shalini. Good evening. చెప్పాను ఇప్పుడే కదా. It's not working, right? Some bright spots are still there on the board only. Okay. Chalo, well and good. Yeah, visible. Andariki am I visible? Audible? Chalo. Good. So, in class lo, we will be continuing our discussion. Andariki okasari cheppandi, how is my voice? And hi, good evening, Isha. Good evening. After a long time. Chalo. So, I'm going to start this part. Kasari chudandi andariki. Don't know like what is the problem with the lights of this studio, and it's okay. We can adjust it, kada? Yes. So, sir, let us start with the next part of this kinematics, kada? Yes. Hi, Parimala. Good evening. Chalo. So students, in the last class we have talked about what did we talk? Okay, so we talked about the graphs kada. Yes, so sir, graphs gurinchi we are done with the discussion. Eppudu we'll be talking about the graph for the equation v is equals to u plus at ante kada. So sir, this v is equals to u plus at, it is exactly similar to y is equals to mx plus c ra. Cheppandi andariki. Okay. So sir, it is similar to y is equals to mx plus c. Kani compare cheyalante, you compare this, sir, I get the value of c is equals to u, sir, I get the value of m is equals to a, and sir, I get the value of t is equals to x kada. So from this point, sir, I can simply say acceleration is the slope of vt graph. Chuskondi, a is equals to m re chuskondi ra. A is equals to m. Very good. Yeah, Isha, you're saying something, Isha. Your health is not good, Isha. Chalo. So sir, acceleration is the slope of vt graph. Ante kada. So sir, if I have two lines, na daggara two lines unte, sir, the first line is making theta 1 with the x-axis and the second line is making the angle of theta 2 with the x-axis. Sir, rendu cases lo, if I have to compare the slopes, sir, m1 and m2 gurinchi maatladalante, you can simply say, sir, m1 is tan theta 1 and m2 is tan theta 2 kada. Yes. Good. Very good andariki, very good. So from here, sir, compare cheskondi, theta 1 is less than theta 2 kada. It should be theta 2 re. So sir, theta 1 is less than theta 2. What does it mean, sir? Sir, tan 0 is 0, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, tan 60 is root 3. Ante as I am increasing the value of theta, the value of the slope also increases. Ante kada. So sir, if theta 1 is less than theta 2, ante tan of theta 1, it is also less than tan of theta 2. Ante sir, m1, it is also less than m2. That means acceleration 1 will also be less than acceleration a2. Chuskondi. If you have two straight lines, so you can simply say, sir, the acceleration a1 and acceleration a2 is greater than a1. Endukante, sir, the slope is more kada. So if the slope is greater, the acceleration will also be greater. Ante. Finished? All of you? Good. Let's move towards the next topic. Sir, the graph for s is equals to ut plus half at squared, sir ji. So I'll take three scenarios. Andariki chuskondi. I'll take three scenarios. Sir, what are the three scenarios, sir? Scenario number 1, sir, u is equals to 0 nunchi start cheddam. So if u is 0, initial speed is 0 kada. Yes. So sir, if u is 0, the equation simplifies to s is equals to half at squared only. So sir, it is similar to y is equals to mx square kada. So what is the graph of y is equals to mx square? Cheppandi andariki. So sir, it is similar to y is equals to m into x square. The graph looks something like this. Chuskondi andariki. It's not a straight line. Ade I told you yesterday also. So I can say, sir, in this is the only scene or scenario in which the line or the graph is not a straight line ra. It's a curved ray. Chuskondi andariki. So sir, idi na displacement s and idi na time t. Ante kada. So if at all I have to talk about the slope of it ra. Chuskondi slope of it. Cheppandi. What is the slope, sir? Sir, what is the slope of st graph, sir? Ee scenario lo cheppandi andariki. What is the slope? Slope ante enti ra? Slope ante enti? Differentiation kada. We are done talking with the differentiation. Andariki chuskondi. We are done with the differentiation. So differentiate both sides, sir ji. So when I am differentiating s with respect to t, left side differentiate aindi kada. I have to differentiate only the right side. Cheppandi. Sir, it is half into a. It is a constant, so I am taking it out of the differentiation symbol. And sir, t square is only remaining until the derivative of t square is 2t. So sir, half 2 cancelled and it comes out to be 80 only. So sir, the slope is a into t. U is 0, chooskondi. U is 0. If u is not 0, sir, we will also add this u kada. So sir, if u is not 0, ds by dt ante speed chooskondi. Speed is the derivative of displacement ante kada. Yes. So sir, v is equals to, if u is not 0, then you can say, sir, v is equals to u plus idi 80. Ante kada. It is also the proof of your first formula, v equals to u plus 80. Chooskondi andariki. Right, sir. Ardhamaindi, sir. Very good, sir. I understand, sir. But we have to draw the graph for the second scenario. What is the second scenario? What is the second scenario? The second scenario has the value of u is not equals to 0. And enti, sir, the value of u is something. Something, you observe it. So, sir, the equation is s is equals to ut plus half at squared only. Chooskondira. The graph is similar kada. It's visible for me, re. Sir, compare chesi. You can simply say, sir, s is y and u is x. So ux plus half ax square. Ante kada. Sir, it's a quadratic equation, sir. What is the graph of the quadratic equation? Sir, the graph of the quadratic equation, time can never be negative. Observe cheskondi. Time is always positive. Ra. Very good. Very good. So time is never negative, sir. So time will start from this part only, and the graph of the quadratic equation looks something like this. Chooskondi andariki. Now, sir, what are these values? What is the minimum value? I'm not interested in all of this. Chooskondi. I am not interested in all of this. Ardhaminandariki. Good. Next, just remember, the graph of the quadratic equation is something like this. Chooskondi. If the acceleration is positive, it will be open upwards. If the acceleration is negative, it will be open downwards. Something like this. This for acceleration positive, this for acceleration negative. Andariki chooskondi. That is what happens kada. When you throw the object goes up, the acceleration is negative, it comes down, chooskondi. Displacement increasing, again displacement decreasing. This is the graph for displacement, okay? S versus T graph. S versus T graph. Andariki chooskondi. Are you able to understand? Yes. Good. Next, sir, we will be talking about the graph-based questions. Chooskondi. Even in this scenario, I am not going to talk about the variable acceleration part. We will be just sticking for the constant acceleration. Ante kada? Yes. So, sir, point number 1, gurtpetkondi, for the entire time you are giving your exam. Ekkada nunchi, ippada nunchi, you assume it till your examination ends. What is first formula, sir? The first formula is area under AT graph gives velocity or speed. Point number 1 to be noted. Okay, sir. What is point number 2, sir? Point number 2 is area under the VT graph gives displacement. Point number 3, sir. Slope of ST graph gives velocity and slope of VT graph gives acceleration. Ante kada? Sir, area ante enti, sir? Basic mathematics chapter lo I have told you area is nothing but the integration. Geometric meaning of integration is area only. Sir, geometric meaning of differentiation is the slope kada? Yes. Yes. So I can simply say velocity V is nothing but area under the AT graph ante integral of AT ante. Sir, what is AT, sir? ADT. Chooskondira. I am writing in a very layman language, okay? I am not considering the rules of integration. Andarki chooskondi. Sir, ikkada vachi, sir, area under the VT graph gives me the displacement S. Sir, the slope of ST graph gives me velocity, so velocity is ds by dt. You write ADT, and here also you write VDT. And sir, the slope of VT graph gives me acceleration, and A is equals to dv by dt. All these formulas are there, but for now you remember only the statements. only the statements. I am not doing makeup for these statements. You remember this. I will be using these all. Okay. Okay. Good. Very good, Isha. Very good. Sure. Next. So, sir, the VT graph for a given particle is as shown. I have to find the displacement of the particle. VT graph, I do have. Now, the VT graph is there. Can you have to find the displacement? Ela find cheyala. Cheppandi, the statement rare chudondi rare statement re sir area under VT graph gives displacement. Ante kada. Sir, what is the area under VT graph? Sir, what is VT graph? First of all, cheppandi sir. So this is my VT graph re. I have to calculate the area re. Gurtunda, area ki formulas gurtunda andariki cheppandi. So sir, చూసుకోండి, observe carefully. This is a right angle triangle. Sir, this is also a right angle triangle. I know the formula for area of the right angle triangle. What is the formula, sir? The formula is simply the area of the triangle is simply half base into height. Ante kada. And what about this ray? What about this ray? This part ray. What is this ray? What is this? Sir, this is a rectangle. Oh, good. So, this right angle triangle. This is also a right angle triangle. And this is a rectangle. Cheppandi andariki. What are the formulas? Andariki cheppandi. What are the formulas ray? So, sir, total area is equals to area of the triangle 1 plus area of the rectangle plus area of the triangle 2. Ante kada. Area of triangle 1. Cheppora. This base is 4. This height is 10. Ante kada. Sir, half into base is 4, height is 10. Oh, I have found the area of the right angle triangle. Good. Very good. So, ekkadochi. Okay, so you can say area of the rectangle. Cheppora. So this distance, how much is the distance? This is 4, this is 10. How much is this distance? Okay. Cheppo. So this is 4, this is 10. 20 is 6 kada. So if this is 6, cheppandi, what is the height? What is the height? 10. So sir, area of rectangle is simply length into width. Length is 10, breadth is 6. So 10 into 6 plus again half into base into height ra. What is base re? 4. What is height re? 10. Substitute ra. So half is into base into height. Ante kada. Half into 4 into 10. Half into 4 into 10. 40. 40 plus 60 ra. 40 plus 60 ante 100. What is this graph re? Velocity time graph. Area under the velocity time graph gives what? Displacement. So sir, 100 is my displacement S. Ante kada, andariki చూసుకోండి and tell me, all of you. Done, not done. Next question. If it's a question, okay, so the speed time graph is shown, right? It's not written, right? I will have to draw it. So this is the speed, sir. Sir, this is the speed. And this is our time. So VT graph ochindi kada. Let us say this is the graph. Choose kondi andariki. This angle makes 45 degree with the x-axis. Cheppandi acceleration gurunchi cheppandi. Good. Very good. 100. Most of you are telling the right answer only. Good. Good. So, sir, acceleration is nothing but, what is the acceleration? So, acceleration is equals to dv by dt. Ante kada. What is dv by dt? Re? What is dv by dt? If you are not understanding the formula, you can always go to the statement. Ra. What is the statement? What is the statement? Sir, slope of vt graph gives me the acceleration. So, how to find the slope now? Slope ante tan theta. Tan theta ante tan 45, tan 45 ante 1. Ante kada. So, acceleration is equals to slope ra. Are slope re. Are slope is tan theta re. Are theta value is 45 re. Substitute cheskondi andariki. So, acceleration is tan of 45 degrees. Ante kada. So, acceleration is only 1 ra. Tan 45 is 1 kada. Yes. Yes. Tan 45 is 1. Good. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Sure. Next. One more question. Chuskondi. The AT graph, the acceleration time graph for a given motion. I am framing it myself, okay, is as shown. Full stop. Find the speed. Find the speed and velocity. Not velocity. Let's not confuse you guys. Let us say find the speed only, okay? Find the speed for the entire motion. Choose kondi. Now draw the graph. So the graph looks something like this. Choose kondi. So it's a perfect semicircle. Semicircle. And this is the graph. Okay. Good. Next. Sir, let us give some values. So let us say this is 0. This is 0. So this is 10, this is 30, this is 40. This is also 10. Should I give you 30 or let us do one thing, okay? Not 30, right? Let us change the values, okay? So I am not giving you this value as 30 only. I am changing the value and I am telling you it is 50. It is 60. Cheppandi. So, actually the question is sufficient. Try to do it. Okay. Chalo, try to do it. Okay. Cheppandi, not integration. Not integration. Don't integrate. Sir, the area under the VT, it's not VT, it's AT graph. So area under the AT graph gives me speed kada. So what is the total area? What is the total area? Ide kada. Or Leda, you tell me which is the correct option, okay? I am drawing option number 1 and option number 2. So only this part. So this is the speed, kada? Yes or no? Cheppandi andariki. This is the speed, this is the speed, this is the speed, not speed. Not speed. This is also this is also You must include all of the area. All the area, complete area. Choose kondi andariki. Okay, Bhanu, you have told the answer also. Kani Bhanu, it's not coming to be 500. Endukante the pi concept will also be included into it kada. Yes. So sir, let us try to do this question. I am breaking this full figure into 4 different parts. Chuskondi 4 different parts. Number 1 is this triangle. Chuskondi. Number 2 is this triangle. Chuskondi. Number 3 is this rectangle. Chuskondi. And number 4 is this semicircle. So naaku aa mottam areas ki mottam figures ki areas kavalira. So I will have to find the 4 independent areas and then I have to add them kada. Yes. Yes sir, I have to add all the areas. So ela add chestaru cheppandi andariki. Who is calling me at this time? Chalo. So sir, I will first try to find this area. This is 10, this is 10. This is 10, this is 10. So sir, area is half into base into height kada. Yes. So area 1 is equals to half into base into height. So sir, half is half, base is how much? 10. And height is how much? 10. So it is coming to be 50. Ekkada nunchi chusko same ditto condition here also. Same to same triangle. So sir, here 50 and here 50. Sir, total triangles give me the area of 100. Total triangles give me the area of 100. So A2 is also equals to 50. A1 is 50. Cheppandi A3 gurinchi em ravali. So A3 is a rectangle. And the area of the rectangle is length into width kada. Length is how much? 40. Width is how much? 10. So area is length into width ante 400. Ante kada. Yes. What about the upper part? What about the upper part? Cheppandi andariki. So sir, it's a semicircle. Ante this is the diameter of the semicircle. What is the diameter, sir? Diameter is 40. What is radius, sir? What is radius, sir? Radius is 20 ra. Chuskondi ra. Radius is 20, 20. Ante kada. Sir, area of semicircle. Area of semicircle. What is the? No. Not 400. Okay, done. Area of the rectangle is 400. Area of semicircle area is equals to half into pi into r square. Ante kada. So it's half into pi into r square is how much? 20 square. 20 square is how much? 400. So this is 200 pi. Ante kada. So this is my area A4. Sir, total area enti ante you add all of these. So it's A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4. A1 plus A2 direct 100. A3 is 400. Add 100 plus 400 ante 500 directly plus 200 pi. Ante kada. So 500 plus 200 pi is the total area. Ante for this question, it is the total speed. Ante kada. Yes. Done. Next. Oh, sir, now the real kinematics for class 11th has started. Endukante we have to apply the calculus part in these problems ra. Chuskondi andariki. Not 700 pi. Naina, it's not 700 pi. Not 700 pi. Chuskondi, you don't add this 500 and 200. Okay, this another number. This is another number. 500 plus 200 pi is not 700 pi. 500 pi plus 200 pi is 700 pi. Ardhamaindi? Okay, done. Chuskondi. So, sir, now the last part is indisciplined motion. What is this? What is this? What is this? So, sir, in this case, the acceleration is also not constant. So, sir, it is a very general scenario. Speed not constant, Acceleration not constant. Ante kada? Yes. So what to do into it? Speed is also not constant. Acceleration is also not constant. So sir, to tackle this problem, till now we only played with the Diwali bombs kada? Diwali bombs. You can, play with them. But when it comes to atom bomb, you cannot play with it, right? You need a very big weapon to tackle those weapons also. So the biggest weapon we will be using in this case is Cheppandi, calculus. So calculus is our protector. So calculus will save us from this atomic bomb, okay? Okay, yes. So sir, what is calculus, sir? Calculus, we only studied two things. The first one is differentiation. The second one is integration. Ante kada? Yes. So sir, what is differentiation, sir? For now, you only remember differentiation is the operation that as I told you in the basic maths, okay? But sir, how do we use differentiation, sir ji? Chuskondi. Ekkadaina, whenever and wherever you have slope or rate of change. Chuskondi. Rate of change. Observe the terminologies. Chuskondi. Rate of change or slope. You remember it is talking about differentiation. Ante. What did I say? What did I say? Whenever you have rate of change or whenever you have slope, it is talking about differentiation. Ante kada? Yes. Yes. Are you sleeping? All of you? Chuskondi. Why so dull responses in the chat? Cheppandi andariki. So sir, whenever you have slope or whenever you have rate of change, what are we going to do? We are going to apply differentiation. So sir, differentiation ela cheyali? You don't know this, re? You seen it in basic maths, re? In basic maths, re? What did we see in basic maths? Yes, we saw, sir, differentiation is an operation and we write it something like this. We write the operators here, sir, and the operator have a rule. Whatever you are operating taking here, there must be the same operator here also. Are you able to understand this? If not, then we will be using chain rule, but it's not for you, okay? Okay, okay, good. Chalo. Next, so sir, for example, let us do some questions. Chusko, andariki chuskondi. Example number 1. Rules గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నావు చూసుకోండి అందరికి. d by dt of t to the power n అంటే t cube, t to the power 4, t to the power 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 చూసుకోండి. You simply say, sir, that is equals to, you take this n outside, you take this n outside, write the same variable and decrease the power by 1, n minus 1. అంతే కదా? Example, sir, example. Sir, d by dt of t to the power 7. చెప్పండి అందరికి. Take this 7 out, t to the power 6. Ante kada? Next. Rule number 2. Sir, trigonometry gurinchi maatladtam. So, d by dt of sin t. Cheppandi ra. What is the d by dt of sin t? It is equals to cos t. Next. D by dt of cos t. Cheppor andariki. D by dt of cos t. What is... What's happening? What's happening? Suddenly, okay, d by dt of cos t. What is it? Sir, it's minus sin t. Ante kada? Next. Fourth one. What's happening? D by dt of e to the power t. Cheppu andariki. What is it, sir? It is e to the power t only. Next. I'll write here, okay? I'll write here. Let us not confuse you more, okay? Okay, so sir, fifth one is here, sir. D by dt of log t, sir. What is the value of d by dt of log t? Cheppu andariki cheppandi. D by dt of log t is equal to 1 by t. Ante kada? Next. Sixth one, or is it completed? Yes, it is completed. Let me just add you one more thing. Sir, d by dt of any constant number k, it is 0. But when is it 0? Only at the time when the constant is coming alone. Separate ga vastunnaru. Chuskondi. D by dt of 7 is equals to 0. Endukante it is only alone, ra. It's a very small thing. You are a very big person. Kill him directly. Understanding? But when the same constant comes with some another big variables, what to do? Okay. So for d by dt of 7t to the power 5. ఇప్పుడు చూసుకోండి. This 7 is not your enemy. ఎందుకంటే it's a very small thing. You are not going to waste your time behind this. So what do you do? Simply lift it, remove it, throw it. Okay, sir. We simply lift it, remove it, throw it. So we came out of the symbol d by dt of t to the power 5. అంతే కదా? Now do the differentiation. చెప్పండి. So it is equals to 7 into d by dt of t to the power 5, 5t to the power 4, and the answer is 35t to the power 4. లేదా, what did I tell you? I told you to multiply these two. చూసుకోండి. Okay, so d by dt of 7t to the power 6. What to do now here? What to do now? Now you multiply. Whatever numbers are you seeing? Hi Spandana, hello. Whatever numbers you are seeing, 7 and 6. Close your eyes, multiply. 7 6 are 72, right? Right, 7 6 are 72, not 72. Not 72. T to the power. Now you reduce the variable number by 1. It's 6 there. You take it 5. Okay? అర్థమైంది అందరికి? Yes. Yes. Good. Very good. 42 t to the power 5. Done with the differentiation. అంతే కదా? We'll jump to integration now. Very good. Next. We'll talk about integration. What is integration, sir? Sir, it is also an operation. Am operation ra? It is the reverse of differentiation. Differentiation lo we are taking the slope, integration lo we are taking the area. So application part గురించి చెప్తున్నాను, జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. ఎప్పుడైనా you are asked about the area, చూసుకోండి అందరికి, addition, summation or area చూసుకోండి. So ఎప్పుడైనా you are asked about addition or summation, spelling ra, summation or area, in all three senses you must do the integration. So sir, integration ante area under the region or area under the curve, ante kada? Yes. So now let us do some questions. Okay sir, integration is an operation. There are some operators also. So this is now first operator, idi na second operator. Same rule, same principles. Same rule, Sarji. The first rule is whatever letter you are writing here, the prior also should have the same combination of letters. Good. Spandana, Isha, very good. Chalo. So sir, for example, it is equals to t square dt. How to solve it, sir? Now, sir, how to solve it? Rules. Aim rules unnai. Point number 1, integral of t to the power n dt ra. Cheppo andariki, t to the power. In differentiation, we are reducing the power. In integration, we are increasing the power. Ante. So it will be t to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Example, sir. Sir, example will be t to the power 4 dt. Ara cheppo, it is t to the power 5 by 5. Ante kada? Yes. Good. Very good. Next, sir, integral of t to the power minus 2a in t ra. So integral t to the power minus 2 is minus 1 by minus 1. Now talk about the rules ra. Rule number 1, integral of dt by t andariki చూసుకోండి. Integral dt by t is log t. So this is equals to log t, point number 1. Similarly, integral of sin t dt. What is integral sin t dt, sir? It is equals to minus cos t, not cos x-ray. Next, sir, integral of cos t dt. What is, sir, integral of cos t dt? It is equals to sin t. Ante kada? I told you to remember there is a constant of integration also. So our constant we are going to introduce here. Sir, what happens to the constant when we add the limits, sir? Sir, what happens to the constant when we add the limits, sir? Cheppandi. So when we add the limits, let us say a to b, and let us say I am writing t to the power 4 ra, dt ra, cheppandi andariki. So it comes out to be t to the power 5 divided by 5 kada. Now you don't add the constant. What you do now is you take the upper limit, you take the lower limit, subtract them, ante. Finish. Are cut, tinandi, finished. So what you do, put the upper limit, b to the power 5 by 5, minus, what is next? A to the power 5 by 5, ante kada. So it's equals to 1 by 5 into b to the power 5 minus a to the power 5. Finished. Problem dead, ra. Problem is finished. Next. Why are you missing? Okay, next. Okay. So let us say application of calculus. How to apply calculus? Choose kondi. So application ante where we have to use this calculus tool kada. So the first thing that we can use, Nani, AQ ante my full name ra. Don't spam the chat list, I'm telling you. AQ is my full name. What is my full name, sir? You see the lectures from the beginning. You will be coming to know it. Okay, good. Next, sir, application of calculus ante the same things I wrote. What did I write? Nani. Choose kondi, Mr. Nani. Don't spam it. Spam cheyandi in the chats. Okay, sir, applications of calculus ante na daggara acceleration is there. I have the speed also, sir. I have the displacement also. How to apply? Tell me all the formulas. Cheppandi. The first formula is A is equals to d by dt of speed kada or velocity. Yedaina teeskochu. Next part lo, what can you say? Sir, V is equals to d by dt of displacement yedaina distance. Ante kada. Here you cannot write it. Choose kondira. S is not the derivative of anything. If you are writing S by S is equals to d by dt of something, you will be gone. Remember, you will be gone. Okay. This is the father of everything. Choose kondi. It is his son. Are you understanding? Okay. He is the father of everything. Here is his son. It is his son. So to go to sons, we differentiate. Choose kondi. To go to the children, we differentiate. To come to father, we integrate. Ante kada? Yes. So now, this is the grandfather. He does not have father alive. His father is dead. Okay. Example giving. I am giving you an example. He is not a fatherless person. His father is dead. Similarly, you come here, it is the acceleration, and it is the grandson. It is very small, it does not have any child. Are you understanding? So you cannot differentiate acceleration. Are you able to understand? So this is my first set of rules. Choose kondi. Next set of rules gurinchi maatladite. We are talking about integration kada. Yes. So we are talking about integration ante I am coming from children to father's level. I am raising up. Who is this? Okay. So now what you can say is we will try to jump on the speed part. Cheppandi. So speed is equals to integral a dt. The second formula, displacement is equals to integral v dt. Ante kada? Yes. So sir, what about acceleration, sir? We do not have any formula for acceleration. Acceleration is not the integral of anything. Choose kondi. Similarly, differentiation is not, displacement is not the derivative of anything. So sir, displacement does not have any formula. So these two are something that have only one formula. Displacement can only be differentiated and acceleration can only be integrated. Ardham chuskondi andariki. Okay. Okay, next chuskondi. First formula we'll be using is mistake. It's not V is equals to dV by dt. It should be A is equals to dV by dt ante kada. Yes. So it is not V. Okay, sir, I did a mistake. It should be A. A for acceleration. Andariki chuskondi. Good. So what I do now is, let us try to solve this question, sir. A particle straight line has the velocity varying with time as this. Andariki chuskondi. So this is the velocity of the particle. The time when the acceleration of the particle is 0. The time when the acceleration of the particle is 0. So sir, I do have velocity, kani I don't have acceleration kada. Okay. So I have velocity but I don't have acceleration. Give me 5 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, I will be back in 5 minutes. Do not go. So whoever is spamming now will be blocked, okay? I was not taking the comment seriously, but now I think we'll have to be serious, okay? Now they'll not call me. So if at all someone is spamming, it's done. Done for them, Ray. Done. Okay? Okay, good. Good. So the class is for learning, not for spamming, okay? Chalo. Okay, so sir, let us continue our part. Let us continue our discussion. Okay, so sir, the speed of the particle is moving with, is varying with time as v is equals to t squared minus 60 plus 10. The time when the acceleration of the particle is 0, ra. How do you find it, sir? Differentiate it. What to do, sir? Now, differentiate, sir. A is equals to d by dt of v, ante kada? Yes, good. Okay, no problem at all. Chalo, good. Okay, so now d by dt of v, substitute the value of v, sir. It is t squared minus 60 plus 10, ante kada? Yes. I don't know where did this spammers come from, okay? But they're gone now. They're gone now. Okay? Yes. So whoever wants to do some spamming, they can inform me in prior so that I can block them right now. Okay? Chalo. So sir, acceleration is how much, sir? Differentiate cheskondi, separate gara. So it is d by dt of t squared minus d by dt of 60, and it is plus d by dt of 10. Ante kada? Yes, good. So sir, what is derivative of t squared, sir? It is 2t minus what is derivative of 60, sir? It is only 6, sir. And the derivative of constant, choose it's a number. It's a constant number. The derivative will be simply 0. Ante kada? So the derivative is 0. So from here you get the value of acceleration as this, and sir, you equate it with 0. 0 tone equate chesi, endukante sir, the acceleration time when the acceleration of particle is 0 kada, naku time kavali. So how will I find, sir? Equate it with 0. So sir, 2t minus 6 is equals to 0. From this, 2t is equals to 6. From this, t is equals to 6 by 2 ante 3. So sir, after 3 seconds, the acceleration of the particle will be 0. Ante kada? Yes. Next చూసుకోండి. Let us talk about the next formula, sir. V is equals to ds by dt. చూసుకోండి. Till now, I have talked about A is equals to dv by dt. Formula number 2 is V is equals to ds by dt. అంతే కదా? So what you do is V is equals to ds by dt. So ante it is d by dt of s. Sir ji, it is d by dt of, substitute the value of s. What is the value of s? It is 3t squared minus 36t plus 3. Ante kada? Yes. Good. So from here I can simply say V is equals to d by dt of, I have written already. So now just differentiate. Cheppandi, sir, it is d by dt of the first term 3t squared minus d by dt of 36t plus d by dt of 3. Ante kada? Yes. So differentiate cheskondi. 3t squared derivative is 60 minus 36 derivative is 36 only. So this is the speed. This is the speed. Chuskondi. I did not read the question. I did not say anything. The only thing that I am doing is I am just reading the question. So now the time when it changes its direction, sir, the time when it changes its direction. When does the object change its direction? And chuskondi, it is also moving rectilinearly. Rectilinearly ante enti, sir? Rectilinearly ante enti? It's moving in a straight line. It is moving in a straight line and changing the direction. What do you mean by that? Moving in a straight line, the direction was this. Now it's changing until it will come back. Ante. So that means in one-dimensional motion, change of direction only means that the object is returning back. Ante kada? Good. So you can simply say, sir, to change the direction, the speed must be 0. Then and only then it can change it, right? Yes. So speed must be 0 ante it should be 0. So sir, 60 should be equals to 36. Ekkad nunchi t should be equals to 36 by 6. Ante kada? Yes. Yes. Very good Spandana, very good. So t should be equals to 6 seconds. Ante 6 seconds tarvata the object will have 0 speed and then it will come back in the opposite direction. Chuskondi. There is some mistake in the question. I'm giving you 5 minutes. Let us see how many of you can answer this question. I'm telling you there is a mistake in the question. Andariki cheppandi. What mistake is there? Any JE student there in the chat box, they can spot the mistake. If at all there is a JE student. But there is a mistake in the question. The question is actually, see, choose Gondi. You have done the answer, you are done with everything, okay? But there is one terminology that I should not have used, and I also did not give proper attention to it. Right? There is a mistake in the question. What is the mistake? If you can tell me. Okate mistake untundi question lo. If a JE student is there in the chat box, let them answer. If not, then I'll just moving to the next part of the discussion, okay? Cheppandi andariki. Okay, let it be. No senior, no students, let it be. I'm not going to say what the mistake is, okay? You just understand. You have done the process, ante kada, your work is over. But there is a mistake in the question. Next. Okay, sir, the acceleration of the particle varies with time as a is equals to 2t plus 3. Ante kada, I have to find the speed of at the end of 4 seconds. Now, what is the relationship between speed and acceleration? Cheppandi andariki. What is the relationship between speed and acceleration? So, sir, speed is equals to integral of a dt. Ante kada? Yes. So, sir, speed is equals to integral of a dt. Ante enti sir ji integrate cheskondi. Easily tondaraga integrate cheyandi. What is integral a into dt ra? You lift the value of acceleration and you substitute into the formula. Ante. Parimala, it's actually, okay, I'll tell you what the mistake in the question is. Okay. Since Parimala is asking, I'll tell you the mistakes, okay. Chuskondi. What is it telling? Actually, I told you these things in the last lecture also, in yesterday's class. What did I tell you, Ra? I told you if the object is changing the direction. Chuskondi andariki. If the object is changing the direction and if I am throwing this pen vertically up, it is moving upwards kada. Kani what is the acceleration on this pen? Right? What is the acceleration of this pen? Speed is in the upward direction. But what is the acceleration? What is the acceleration? In the downward direction kada. So what will you say? Acceleration positive or negative? If the thing has to change the direction in one motion, one dimensional motion, what can you say about the acceleration? Chuskondi. This pen is moving in the right side. Kani, the acceleration is in the left side. Then and only then it will stop kada. The speed will decrease. Negative acceleration, speed decreases, becomes 0 at one point. So that means throughout the motion, the acceleration must be opposite to the speed. And a negative acceleration should be there kada. Chuskondi. What is displacement? Ra? This. What is speed? Ra? This. And what is acceleration from this? Right? What is acceleration from this? Sir, acceleration is simply equals to 6 meters per second squared. How many of you have understood this acceleration? Akkad nunchi, what can you say? It's a positive acceleration, negative acceleration. Ra. It's a positive acceleration. Ardhamaindi. So it will never happen that the particle direction will change. Ardham cheskondi. Acceleration is positive. Speed is also positive. Ante, there might come a time for which the speed will become 0, but it will continue in the same direction. Ardhamaindi kada? Yes. Yes. Next. So integral a dt chuskondi. Integral a dt ante integral of 2t plus 3 into dt. Ante kada? Able to understand? Are you able to understand this? Okay. Arey, you again came, right? Okay. So what happened is, I don't know how many of you are focusing this question, but, how many of you are happy with the explanation I gave? Array, are you able to understand this, or should I just skip to the next part, Ray? I also did one mistake in explaining the answer, Ray. Array, how am I explaining to these people, Ray? Chuskondi. Array, you come here, Ray. Cheppandi. So, sir, velocity is simply equals to integral acceleration 2t plus 3 dt. Ante kada? Yes. Good. Very good. So, ante, sir, it should be 2t times of dt plus integral 3 times of dt. Good. Ante kada? Yes. Cheppandi integration. What is the integral of 2t? Ra? What is the integral of 2t? If any one of you is spamming in the chat list, you remember it is not going to be tolerated. Good. Very good. Arav, very good. So, sir, the integration will be 2t integration is t squared plus 3 integration is 3t. Ante kada? So, this is the velocity of the object. But I'm told to find the velocity at the end of 4 seconds. Oh, 4 seconds. Cheppandi. So, you substitute 0 to 4. Ante kada? So, you directly substitute the value of 4 into it, sir. So, it's 4 square 16 plus 3 into 4. Ante kada? Yes. So, it is 16 plus 12 ante 28 meters per second. So, this is the speed of the object at the end of 4 seconds. Good. Next, let us move to the next part. Next question is, next formula is S is equals to integral V dt. Chuskondi. I am trying to include as much possible combinations are there for your examinations into the discussion. And one more thing, andarki chuskondi. If you have attended this lecture right from day 1, ante kinematics part 1, kinematics part 2, kinematics part 3. You don't have to solve any PYQs in NEET, endukante I have included all of them, okay? All of them, yes. So, I have included all PYQs of NEET. You just attend these lectures in a very sincere way, and that's it. Next question, sir. The velocity of the object varies with time as v is equals to t squared plus 3. The displacement at the ends of 3 seconds will be dash. A direct formula. See, the 2-3 questions, the questions that we have attempted just now, very easy questions. Only formula based questions. Ante kada? Kani, ekkadi nunchi I will be changing up questions, or we will be going towards a little twists. Ardham cheskondi. It's a last easy question that you will be solving. Dan tarvata, you must be having good idea about the applications of derivatives. Chuskondi andariki. Very good. Mysterious, very good. So, sir, naku displacement kavalante, you can simply say displacement is integral of v dt ante how much time at the end of 3 seconds kada? So, 0 to 3. Cheppandi. So, 0 to 3 integral of t squared plus 3 dt. Ade kada? Good. So, sir, it will be 0 to 3 t squared dt plus integral 0 to 3 dt. Ante kada? Good. So, it will be t cube by 3 plus 3t. 0 to 3. Substitute. Cheppandira. You put the upper limit once, you put the lower limit once. Okay, sir. So, you can simply say, sir, it is 3 cube by 3 plus 3 into 3 minus lower limit is 0. Chuskondi. 0. So, it is directly equals to 3 square plus 3 square ante 18. Observe cheskondi. So, this is the displacement at the end of 3 seconds. You are telling something very good. Very good, Vaishali. Very good. Chalo. Next. So, sir, I have to apply the links. Now, this is the most important part of your entire kinematics 1D. Chuskondi. This is the most important part in your entire kinematics. Endukante in this scenario, you have n number of combinations. What do you mean by combinations, ra? Domination, right? What are you talking? Okay. So, in this case, you can say that you have 4 different things. Acceleration is there. Na daggara speed kuda there. I also have displacement and time. Chuskondi. 4 quantities only 4 quantities. Now what they do is they give you 2 and they ask you third. Chuskondi what I'm telling. 4 quantities only, they give you 2, they asked about the third one. Ante. Or they can give you 2, they can ask about the second one only. Chuskondi. Very good. So sir, they can give me acceleration in terms of velocity also. Sir, they can give me acceleration in terms of displacement also. They can also give me acceleration in terms of time. Chuskondi. Ante, if they are giving you acceleration in terms of velocity, A is equals to 3v squared. Equation 1. It is there, kada? Yes, it's there. I am telling you, chuskondi. You observe it very carefully, okay? Very carefully. Similarly, when they are giving you acceleration in terms of displacement, and I can simply say, sir, A is equals to 4x squared. Example. And when it comes to time, they can simply say, sir, acceleration is equals to 3t squared plus 4t. Ante kada? Yes. So this is the first part. Yes. Arav, we will be moving to PYQs only after this, okay? I have very good number of PYQs included into the end of this session only, okay? Chuskondi. Jagradaga vinandi, okay? Sir, what if they are giving me speed now? Case 1 lo, they have given me acceleration as different functions, kada? I must be having each and every formula in my hand to calculate whatever they are asking. Chuskondi andariki. If they are giving me velocity as a function of time. Example, sir. Sir, v is equals to 3t plus 6. Ante kada? Yes. They can give you velocity as a function of time also. Or leda, they can also give you velocity as a function of displacement. Andariki chuskondi. V is equals to 4x plus 6. Are you understanding? I am trying to apply all the links. Or leda, they are now interested on the displacement part. Chuskondi. They can give you the displacement as the function of velocity. Ante kada? They can give you. So what example, sir? Sir, you can simply say displacement x is equals to 2v plus 3. Right? Yes. So the displacement is given as a function of velocity. At the same time, they can also give you displacement as a function of time. Sir, s is equals to t squared plus 2t plus 3. Ante kada? What about acceleration, sir? Can they give me displacement as a function of acceleration? Can they give you? Yes, they can give you. They can. So they can also give you displacement as a function of acceleration. Ante x is equals to 2a. Finished. This or leda, now I am interested about time. Chuskondi very carefully. They can give you time as a function of displacement. For example, sir, t is equals to x square plus 2x. They can give you and find whatever they want. They can ask you to find the psychopath. I am warning you again, okay? One more comment you do and then I'll again make you blocked from this discussion, okay? Keep the chat box decent and understandable. You are students. Are you understanding? You are students. So you should behave like students. Similarly, sir, displacement can be given as velocity. Yes, it can be given as velocity. For example, s is equals to 2v plus 3. Sir, what about time, sir? Displacement can be given as acceleration or not? Yes, it can also. Not time. So this yellow was for time, kada? Yes. So this yellow was for time. Time can be given as acceleration also. So sir, t is equals to 2a plus 3. Yes, they can give you. Or they can also give you time as direct function of speed. Chuskondi ekkadi nunchi. You can simply say t is equals to 2v plus 3. So sir, how many arrows are there in the figure? How many arrows are there? Chuskondi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you can at least expect 10 to 15 different types of questions in your examinations based on all this information I gave. It's completely links, okay? Now, if acceleration is given in terms of displacement, what formula to apply? Acceleration speed lo if the acceleration is in terms of speed, ఏం ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేయాలి? You must be having the idea about all of these things, okay? So sir, let us start the discussion. So if your acceleration is given in terms of time, చూసుకోండి అందరికి, if acceleration is given in terms of time and it is asking for speed, you simply apply v is equals to integral a dt, అంతే కదా? Next, if the acceleration is given in terms of speed, what do? And if it is asking you to solve it, you apply acceleration is equals to v dv by dx, ante kada? Next, if the acceleration is given as displacement, same formula, a is equals to v dv by dx. Next, if velocity is given as time, మీ దగ్గర రెండు formulas ఉన్నాయి. What are the two formulas, sir? First one is a is equals to dv by dt. Second one is s is equals to integral of v dt. If the velocity is given as displacement, you apply v is equals to dx by dt. Next, if displacement is given as function of time, then you apply v is equals to dx by dt. And if the displacement is given as velocity, then you apply v is equals to a dx by dv. So these are the formulas you must be good at. Okay, these are the formulas you must be good at. Next, let us start the solving the questions only. Chuskondi, the acceleration of a particle varies with its velocity as a is equals to 4v squared. Chuskondi, in this question he has given acceleration as a function of velocity. Acceleration as a function of velocity. This formula kada. Chuskondi. So he has given the acceleration as a function of velocity only. If the velocity of the particle was 4 meters per second when it was at origin, find the velocity when it covered the distance of 4 meters. Very standard question. Very standard question. Andariki చూసుకోండి. So sir, acceleration is a is equals to 4v squared, ante kada? What do I have to find? What do I have to find? I have to find the velocity. Sir, acceleration is there, velocity కావాలి, ఏం ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేయాలి చెప్పండి అందరికి. What formula to be used? You must have practice plus experience to understand this. You can simply say, sir, a is equals to, చూసుకోండి, v dv divided by dx, అంతే కదా? Yes, you must apply the same formula. So now, sir, what can I say? You understand one thing, okay? Let us take a basic version of it. I'll not directly go to this formula. I'll take a very basic version of it. So sir, let us say the speed of the object is equals to 4x. Okay? In this scenario, speed is given as the function of the displacement. Are you understanding? Speed is given as a function of displacement. So ఏం చేయాలి? You write the formula for speed. What is speed? dx by dt kada? You write the formula for speed. What is speed? dx by dt. చూసుకోండి, ఇక్కడ చూసుకోండి. Let us see Vaishali, I don't know. Chalo, so sir, v is equals to 4x ante dx by dt kada? V is dx by dt. Speed is derivative of displacement. అర్థం చేసుకోండి. సో సార్ dx by dt is equals to 4x. Right? Yes. What to do? ఏం చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు? You remember this formula. dx by dt now onwards I'm telling you one more phase of this differentiation. This dt is in division ra, చూసుకోండి. This dt is in division. So you can simply send the other side also. Whatever you want, you can send it, okay? Whatever you want, you can send it. You want to send dx this side, you can send it. You want to send dt this side, you can send it. For example, sir, dx by dy is equals to k. So I want to send this dy that side. చూసుకోండి. I can write it this way. Sir, dx is equals to k into dy. అంతే కదా? Yes. So now listen to me very carefully. Listen to me. చూసుకోండి రా. Listen to me very carefully. dx, what is dx, sir? I did not tell you in the beginning, but now I am telling you, the meaning of dx is very small x. Chuskondi. The meaning of dx is very small x. Similarly, the meaning of dy is entira. It is very small dy. Are you able to understand? Are you able to understand? So when I say dx, it's a very small x. When I say dy, it's a very small y. Are you understanding? So when I say, sir, dx by dy, that means very small x divided by very small y. I hope you are understanding, okay? So, sir, I don't want very small values. I want bigger values. So, what to do, What to do? You simply integrate. We can integrate. We can integrate it also. So, if I have this formula, dx by dt is equals to 4x. Andarki jagrataga observe cheskondi. The next set of things that you are going to do, nobody will tell you this. I am telling you again and again, repeatedly. Observe very carefully. The next set of steps, once you got this type of equation, immediately what you do is you try to separate the same variable terms, same side. So, ekkada chudandi, x is there in the left side, kani idi x, this x is in the right side kada. So, what to do now? You separate the same variable term in the same side and different variable terms in the other side. Are you able to understand this? Yes. So, sir, and remember, don't do addition subtraction, okay? Don't do addition subtraction. Sir, this 4x is plus, sir, we will send it become minus. No. You cannot do it because you cannot solve these questions then. So, what to do, sir? Try to use multiplication or division when you are solving the questions. So, aim cheyalante, you can simply say, sir, if dx by dt is equals to 4x, andarki chuskondi. Sir, this x is in multiplication kada. So, you send here in division, andarki chuskondi. And at the same time, what you do is, this dt is in division, you send it in multiplication. That's it. So what I am doing is, I am trying to make one set of variables in one side, other set of variables in other side. Are you able to understand? Andariki cheppandi. Okay. So what you can say is, you can simply say, sir, dx, this x will be division. So dx divided by x is equals to, cheppandi, what can I say? 4 is not moved, 4 is right there, akkade untundi, chuskondi. So it is 4 times of dt, ante kada. Step number 2. Now try to integrate, if possible, try to integrate. Sir, dx by dx, can we integrate? Yes, we can. Sir, integral dt only, can we integrate? Yes, we can. So, if the situations are favorable, integrate. Ela integrate cheyala, sir? Directly write the integration symbol. Ante kada? If possible, you can take the limits also. So, you can simply say, yedina, if you have limits, well and good. Chuskondi, andariki. If you have limits, well and good. If you don't have limits, take a constant, extra constant at the end. Ante. So, sir, I don't have limits, so I have to take extra constant. So, I am writing this extra constant initially only. Eppudu what I have to do is, I have to integrate. Cheppandi. So, what is integral dx by x? Integral dx by x is log x is equals to, what is integral 4 dt? What is integral 4 dt? 4t kada? Yes. So, you can simply say log x is equals to 4t plus c. Ante kada? Now, we also talked about logarithm in basic mathematics lecture series. Chuskondi. So, what did we get? When you are trying to remove this log, it goes in this form. It is e, okay? If integration is there, nothing is mentioned, andariki chuskondi, then what should you take? The base should be e. Ante kada? So, sir, you take this e, you send everything in the power only, and you write the remaining terms as it is. Ante kada? Yes. So, what can I write? x is equals to e to the power 4t plus c. Finished. So this is my displacement, idi na time, and this is the relationship between x and time. I hope it is visible to all of you. Okay. Next part lo. Okay, I'll write the steps. Okay. Step number 1. What is the step number 1, sir? Step number 1 is identify the formula. What formula, sir? V is equals to ds by dt. A is equals to dv by dt. A is equals to v dv by dx. V is equals to a dx by dv. V is equals to integral a dt. S is equals to integral v dt. Mottam formulas lonchi, what formula you have to apply, you have to identify. That is step number 1. Identify the formula. Number 2. And the step number 2. What is step number 2, ra? Step number 2 is separate same variables at one side. Step number 3. If possible, endukante you might, if it is not possible to integrate, that means you are doing mistake in either step number 1 or step number 2. It is completely not in your domain that they give you very difficult questions. The only thing is that your step 1 and step 2 should be correct. Step 1, step 2 correct unte, the integration must be possible. So if possible, impossible ante you are doing some mistake in step 1 or step 2. If possible, integrate. Step number 4 ra. Step 4. What is step 4 re? What is step 4? Andarki chuskondi. Step number 4 is, what is step number 4? Limits. If limits are there, apply or add a constant. Ante. If limits are there, petkondi. Leda extra constant petkondi. Ante. Last one is step number 5. Make an equation. Make an equation. Ante kada? Yes. So these are only the 5 steps with which you can solve any of the questions. Let us directly jump to the given question. Chuskondi. Not this, Ray. I think we should jump to this question. Chuskondi. Read this question very carefully. Andarki. Read this question very carefully. What does the question say? The question says the acceleration of the particle varies with its velocity as this one. So, ante I have A is equals to 4v squared. Point number 1. Extract whatever information you can extract. Okay. Next chuskondi. If the velocity of the particle was 4 meter per second, so velocity was 4 meter per second when it was at the origin. So x is equals to 0. Now what I have to do? Find the velocity when it covered the distance of 4 meters. Ante kada. So have initial conditions given. I have initial conditions given. Initial conditions ante initial speed is 4 meter per second. Initial distance is 0. Ante kada. Final distance entira. Final distance is 4 meters. What is final velocity? Naku teliyadu. Idde I have to find. I have to find the final speed only. Chalo, done with the information extraction. Now let us identify which formula to be applied. Which formula to be applied? Cheppandi andariki. Acceleration given as velocity kada. Okate formula untundi. A is equals to, tell me, what is the formula? It is also given in terms of x kada. Yes. So, sir, A is equals to v dv by dx. You can apply this formula kada. Yes, you can apply. But at the same time, you can also say, sir, A is equals to dv by dt kada. So, dv by dt or v dv by dx. It should be v dv by dx. Okay. Ardham cheskondi. Sir, which one to use? This or this? That is the problem. Are you understanding? So, ఏం చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు అంటే you understand, your information is in terms of x kada. X is given. No time is given. So time does not keep any significance for me. I'll simply use this formula. Cheppandi. Is this right? Okay. So sir, v dv by dx is equals to 4v squared. Sir, 1v gone. Gone kada? Yes. Step number 2 now. What is step number 2? Try to bring same variables in the same side. Andarki chooskondi. Try to bring same variables in the same side. Chooskondi. What are the variables now? After simplification, sir, dv by dx is equals to 4v. Ante kada? Sir, v is in the left side. ev right side lo. So what to do? You bring same variables in the same side. How to bring? I told you, you bring it either by multiplication or by division. Ante kada? Yes. So sir, you bring it here in division form. So dv by v, and at the same time you send this variable that side. Endukante you have to separate the variables ra. Only one variable should be at the one side. Other side there should be other variable. Ante kada? So dv by d is equals to 4 dx. Done. Step 1 completed. Identification of formula completed. Step 2 variable separation completed. Let us go to step 3. If possible, integrate. Integration possible or impossible? Chooskondi. It's very possible, sir. dv by d log v. Sir, 4 dx is 4x only. Substitute. Direct integrate cheyandi. Ardhamaindi? So when you integrate it, cheppandi dv by v ante log v. Ante kada? If no base is mentioned, take the base as e. Log v to the base e is equals to, ekkadi nunchi cheppu, it is 4x kada. Now sir, limits. Next part is limits. Limits gurunchi, there must be information in the question itself. Chooskondi. Go back to the question. Go back to the question and try to understand the limits. Sir, when the value of x was 0, ante my initial limit of x is 0. Ade kada? So when the value of x was 0, what was the speed, sir? 4. So this is my initial limit. And when the value of x is 4, you lift and substitute the value of x as 4. And this is my final limit. I don't know the value of it, kada? Naku teliyadu. So what to do now, re? So let us say it is 0 to 4. It is 4 to v. Let us say 4 to v, kada? Same limits. So sir, let us substitute the upper limit first, then lower limit. Ra. So sir ji, it is coming to be log of upper limit. Cheppandi, what is upper limit? Ra? V only. Minus log of lower limit. So log of 4 to the base e. Ante kada? Done with the limits. Ekkada kuda substitute cheskondi limits is equals to 4 into upper limit enti ra? 4 minus lower limit enti ra? 0. Finished. Sir, log a minus log b, sir. Sir, log a minus log b. What is it? Log of a by b. Yes. So sir, log of a by b ante v by 4 to the base e, it is equals to 4 into 4. 16 kada? Yes. Yes. So from here, sir, you send this e that side. What will it do? It will simply say v by 4 is only remaining. Chooskondi. You are removing logarithm. So this base should be gone to that base and this number should go to power. So v by 4 should be equals to e to the power 16. Ante v is equals to 4 into e to the power 16 meter per second. So this is the final speed of the particle. Very good, Josna. Very good, Josna, very good. So this is the final speed of the particle when the distance was 4 meters. Ante kada? 5 set of rules are there. 5 set. Only 5 set. Next. Sir, the acceleration of the particle varies with the position as this. If the particle starts from rest, from origin, particle starts from rest, initial conditions, observe cheskondi. You extract as much information as possible. Point number 1. Extract as much information as possible. So sir, acceleration is given as x plus 1. Point number 1. If the particle starts from rest, sir, starts from rest, speed 0. Initial speed 0. Yes, sir, initial speed is 0. When, sir? When? From origin kada, ante x is also equals to 0. The speed of the particle after it moves by a distance of 4 meters. So I again want the find the speed of V ray. Final speed. Eppudu when the distance has covered as 4 meters. Ante kada. So formula is given, initial condition is given, final condition it is asking kada adugutunnaru. So sir, aim formula to be used. I have set of 4 or 5 formulas kada. Ante kada. So you have set of 5-6 formulas. Which formula to use? It is your step number 1. Ade. Sir, acceleration given, displacement given, speed asking sir, acceleration, distance, speed. Rendu quantities unnai formula cheppandi. What is the formula sir? Yes, acceleration is equals to v dv by dx. Chuskondi. Acceleration, speed, displacement. Aindi kada? Yes. So sir, this is equals to x plus 1. Ante kada? Yes. Good. Okkasari you are done writing with the formula. What is the step number 2? Separate the variables. One variable, one side, second variable, second side. Cheppandi andariki. So what do? You separate the variables. So sir, v dv is in the left side. Right side lo it becomes x plus 1 dx. Ante kada? Yes. I am sending this that side. V dv is equals to x plus 1 dx. Ardham cheskondi. Done with the variable separation. Ippudu the next step that you will be doing is integrate. Ante. The next step that you will do is to integrate. Right? Yes. So ela integrate cheyali? Cheppandi. Are integral v dv ra. Same variables are there. V to the power 1. So you can simply say, sir, increase the power, divide by the same number. But the initial limits are also there. So initial speed was 0 kada, when x is 0. When x is 0, initial speed is also 0. When x is 4, I want to find the final value of speed v. Are you understanding? You also have to understand the limits. Limits. Cheppandi. So v square by 2 is equals to integral x ra, sir, x square by 2. Plus integral 1 ra, sir, x. So this 2 is in division, akkada pumpandi in multiplication. So what do you get now is v square is equals to 2 into x square by 2 plus x. Ante kada. So v square is equals to x squared plus 2x. Lower limit, upper limit, substitute cheskondi. So lower limits are rendu cases lo lower limit is 0, upper limit ekkada vachi 4 and here upper limit is v only. So you don't have to worry about lower limits kada. 0. So only substitute the upper limits ra. Cheppu, what do you get now? Sir, upper limit is v square. It is equals to, substitute the upper limit ra. X square ante 4 square ante 16. Plus 2 into x, that means 2 into 4 ante 8. 16 plus 8 is 24. V square is 24 ante V is root 24 kada. So it is 2 root 6 meters per second. So this is my speed at the end of 4 meter distance. Ante? Good. Next. I think we will directly jump to the formula now. Chuskondi. Again the same question is there. Sir, if the speed of the particle changes with its position, now chuskondi ra. Each and every time I am trying to keep different formulas, okay? Different formulas. Very good. Spandana, very good. So sir, the speed of the particle is changing like this. So sir, speed is equals to 2 divided by cos x. Ante kada? Yes. What is the maximum displacement for the particle? It is asking. It's a very good question. Huh? Chala good question. Try to understand the question itself. So it should not be asked in your NEET exam. It should be asked in JEE mains. But still let us discover all the possible combinations. Okay. Let me do one thing. Okay, I think again I will have to block the spammers. Okay, so let us block them. Give me 5 minutes, students. Andariki, give me 5 minutes. Let's finish this session first. Cheppandi. So V is equals to 2 by cos x. Ante kada. So from here, sir, I'll write dx by dt. Speed is differentiation, derivative of differentiation kada. Yes. dx by dt is equals to 2 by cos x. Sir, identification of the formula is done. Step number 2, sir. What is step number 2? Separate the same variables at the same side, different variables at the different side. Ante kada? Yes. So, sir, same variables ante idi x and this is also my x. Same, you send them in the same side, and this t is different variable, you send it in the other side. Cheppandi. Cos x is in division. Chuskondi. It goes in multiplication. Sir, so cos x into dx is equals to 2 into dt. Ante kada? Yes. So now, once you are done with this separation, you do integration directly. Cheppandi. What is the integral of cos x, Sirji? You must remember. Integral of cos x. It is sin x. Ante kada? Are you understanding? Okay. Sir, it should be equals to, what is the value of 2t? Re? What is the value of 2t? 2t is, 2 integral t is 2 only kada? Yes, good. So, sir, cheppandi. Maximum value of displacement. No, you should not take maximum displacement. What is the time at which the maximum displacement could happen? Re? Okay, so sir, sin x is equals to 2t. Let us say some constant. I'll also not introduce the constant. Let us add some more conditions. Right? I made this question by myself. Okay, if particle starts from origin, ante kada, maximum displacement of the particle, not maximum displacement, find when will be the maximum displacement possible for the particle. I have to find the time ra ippudu. Chuskondi. Even if you are taking the limits ra, chuskondi. Particle starts from origin kada. Starts ante 0 seconds. Origin ante x is equals to 0. Ade. So sir, this is my final equation, sir. Maximum displacement. Chuskondi. Maximum displacement ante enti ra? Maximum displacement ante enti? That means, sir, the value of sin x should be maximum. The value of sin x should be maximum. What is the maximum value of sin x, sir? 1. Or the maximum value should be minus 1. Chuskondi. It could be either minus 1 or it could be either plus 1. Right? So what is the maximum displacement between the 2 points? 2 meters. 2. So sir, maximum displacement possible is 2 meters. Artham cheskondi. Are you able to understand? So this is the maximum displacement. If you are talking about time, cheppandi. So sin pi by 2. Sin 90 is 1 kada. So 1 is equals to 2t and t is equals to 1 by 2 seconds. First maximum position will be at half seconds. After that, you keep increasing the times. Endukante frequent ga values ostundi kada. Next, the position of a particle varies with its speed as x is equals to 4v square. Starts from rest. Chuskondi. Particle starts from rest ante entira at t is equals to 0 seconds. At t is equals to 0 seconds, speed is 0. Ante kada. Starts from rest ante same condition. At t is equals to 0, initial speed was 0. Ante kada. Acceleration of particle kavale. I need the acceleration of the particle ra. Cheppandi. Now, we will try to cover as much possibilities as possible. Andarki chuskondi. So, sir, the equation that I have is x is equals to 4 into v squared. Ante kada. Sir, what formula should I use, sir? What formula should I use? You must use v is equals to a dx by dv. When it is asking the acceleration kada, speed is given, displacement is given. So acceleration, speed, displacement. Only one formula is there that is connecting all these things. Okay. Next. Sir, you do one thing, sir. You separate the variables at one side and other variables at the other side. Yes, good. You are good with it, okay? So, sir, we can simply say, cheppandi, andariki cheppandi. What can I say? Separate the variables. So, v into dv is equals to a into dx. Ante kada? Right? Yes. Sir, what should I write the value if I have the value of x is this? Or else, you choose, you see, the second way I am doing is, you have the value of x kada, you differentiate it. You differentiate it with respect to speed. Cheppandi. So, d by dv of all of the equation, x is equals to 4v squared. Cheppandi andariki. Sir, it should be v. Okay. So, sir, dx by dv kada? Sir, dx by dv is equals to derivative of 4v square. Sir, 8v. Sir, what is dx by dv, sir? What is dx by dv, sir? Cheppandi andariki. Or else, leda, this v is in multiplication. You send here, it comes in division. Andariki chuskondi. So, I got v into dx by dv is equals to 8. v dx by dv is equals to 8. v dx by dv is equals to 8. Sir, what is v dx by dv, sir? Sir, what is v dx by dv, sir? I have the formula a is equals to v dv by dx. Ante kada? Right? Sir, what is v dx by dv, sir? Oh, let us change the values already. Yes. Sir, what is v dx by dv, sir? It should be 1 by v kada. There is this mistake. Chuskondi. So, it is 1 by v. So, sir, a is v dv by dx kada. You do the reverse. You send everything this side, everything that side. Cheppandi. What do you get? You send everything this side, everything that side. Tell me. So, sir, a into dx is equals to v into dv. Ante kada? So, sir, let us do one thing. Let us send this a that side. So, sir, dx is equals to v dv by a. So, from this part, sir, let us divide the equation by v dv on both sides. Sir, v dv here also. Sir, v dv here also. v dv gone re. So, sir, dx by v dv is equals to 1 by a kada? Yes, 1 by a. Chuskondi. dx by v dv is 8. Ante 1 by a is 8. That means acceleration is 1 by 8 meter per second squared. Ante. Finished. You need not integrate in each and every formula. It depends completely upon your understanding. Let us go to the next question. I think PYQs must have started. Okay. So, sir, the speed of the particle changes with position as this. The acceleration of the particle is dash. Cheppandi. So, sir, v is equals to 4 minus 8x to the power half. Hey, should I give you a shortcut, or do you want me to solve this question in a very long way? Cheppandi andariki. Should I tell you a shortcut andariki? I have both the ways to solve it, okay? I can solve it in all the ways. Now, acceleration kavali. How to do it? Cheppandi. I can take the same formula. What formula, sir? A is equals to v dv by dx. Sir, A is equals to v dv by dx. Ante kada? So, sir, it is v into d by dx of v. Chuskondi chuskondi. v into d by dx of v. Ante v into cheppandi d by dx of v. What is v re? Power half. Power half ante enti root. So, sir, it is root of 4 minus 8x. Ante kada? So, this is my acceleration, sir. Sir, what is the acceleration of root x, sir? 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. Yes. I will come to shortcut also. Let us go with the long cut first. Chuskondi. So, acceleration is equals to v into cheppandi andariki. The derivative of this power half untundi kada. So, you take this half directly into everything 4 minus 8x to the power reduced by 1. Half is there. Half minus 1 is minus half. Half minus 1 is minus half. Andariki chuskondi. Multiplied by the derivative of internal part minus 8 kada. Yes. So, this is my acceleration. If I am going with a long cut, this is my acceleration. Chuskondi andariki. V into 1 by 2 into minus 8 into divided by, it is minus half kada, so root of 4 minus 8x ra. Okay sir, idi na acceleration. What is v sir? Sir, what is v sir? What is v sir? Sir, v is directly this, substitute sir, so a is equals to root of 4 minus 8x multiplied by half into minus 8 re, minus 4 kada, minus 4 by root of 4 minus 8x. So sir, ekkad nunchi I'll cancel out these two and I'll get acceleration is minus 4. So this was my long method. If you want to tell me shortcut, chuskondi. This is the shortcut ra. What is the shortcut sir? How will I do sir? How will I do? Okay sir, for shortcut method sir, let me write this question once again. V is equals to 4 minus 8x to the power half kada, ante v is equals to root of 4 minus 8x. This is the speed. I have to find acceleration. Shortcut, chudandi, it's a complete shortcut. Let us take one formula. What is the formula? What is the formula? Sir, v square is equals to u square plus 2as. Ante kada? 2as. X ante displacement ante x. Ardhamaindi? Good. So sir, let us take the square root sir. Sir, v is equals to root of u square plus 2ax. Chuskondi. Sir, this and this. Do they match? Do they match? Do they match? Yes, they do. Yes, they do. They do match. Chuskondi. Sir, v is equals to root of 4 minus 8x. Ante kada? Sir, u square is 4. Sir, u square is 4. Ante, what is the value of u? U is only 2. Ekkada vachi sir, plus 2a. Sir, plus 2a is minus 8. So sir, 2a is minus 8. Ante a value ra, cheppandi. Minus 4 kada, finished. You got two values. You got the initial speed also, you got the acceleration also. Minus 4. Chuskondi. Here also the answer was coming as minus 4 only. Sometimes you need the total formulas. Sometimes you don't need the total formula. Ardhamaindi? Next. Okay, so these are the PYQs. Do we have time ra? Em cheyali cheppandi chat lo. Do you want me to solve this now or can we schedule this for tomorrow? Endukante by tomorrow this chapter will be done ra. Then we will be starting with Kinematics 2D. Sunday lo you will be having capacitors if possible, okay? Okay, fine. Very good. Not V is equals to, it should be A is equals to, okay? Josna Reddy, it should be A is equals to minus 4. Andariki cheppandi. Okay, sir. Let us solve this question. Let us solve 2-3 questions from PYQs, okay? Next. In some appropriate units, the time and position of a particle are given by t is equals to x squared plus x. Ante kada? Em kavali ra? Acceleration kavali. What is given, right? Time is given. Displacement is given. What do you want, right? Acceleration you want. What formula to use, right? What formula to use, right? Now it depends completely upon your intuition. Huh? You cannot directly solve this question without prior practice of questions. Andariki ardham cheskondi. You cannot solve this question without solving good number of kinematics questions. Ardhamaindi? Good. Sir, what to do, sir? Sir, how to do, sir? Cheppandi andariki. Sir, I think I can use one formula, sir. What formula? What formula? Sir, V is equals to dx by dt ante kada. This formula I can use. How can I use, sir? Sir, differentiation of displacement is giving me speed. Sir, differentiation of displacement is giving me speed. So let us do one thing. Let us differentiate the whole equation, cheppora, with respect to time only. So sir, d by dt of mottam equation, enti mottam equation ra, t is equals to x square plus x. Ante kada? You differentiate time, you differentiate this with respect to time only. Cheppandi ra, sir, dt by dt is equals to d by dt of x squared plus x. Ante kada? Yes. Yes, very good. Sir, d by dt of t is 1. So sir, 1 is equals to చెప్పండి అందరికి x square derivative కానీ చూసుకోండి the variables are different కదా. So what do you do re? What do you do? You add or you rewrite this whole equation something like this. చూసుకోండి. If you are understanding, well and good. If you are not understanding, remember this is how it's done. Remember this is how it's done. Re. So sir, instead of d by dt, I am doing one change, sir. Instead of dt, I am writing this dx into, again I am writing dx by dt. చూసుకోండి. I told you this is by division only ra. చూసుకోండి. So d by dt అంటే this all of it. అంతే కదా? Yes. So sir, let us take this dx by dt that side. చూసుకోండి. What I am doing అందరికీ చూసుకోండి. So what I can say now is this dx by dt is going that side and differentiation is happening first. So ఇప్పుడు I am just telling you that చూసుకోండి రా. So it is d by dx of x square plus x into dx by dt. అంతే కదా? అరే ఇట్స్ సేమ్ రే. అరే ఇట్స్ సేమ్ టు దిస్ రే. చూసుకోండి dx gone, d by dt of it's there. అంతే కదా? You can write it like this also. You can write it like this. ఓకే. సో సార్ ఇప్పుడు చూసుకోండి వేరియబుల్స్ ఆర్ సేమ్ కదా, డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చెప్పండి. సో 1 is equals to what is the derivative of x square రే? 2x plus what is the derivative of x రే? 1 into what is the value of dx by dt రే? స్పీడ్. అంతే కదా? ఎస్. సో సార్ చూసుకోండి dx by dt స్పీడ్ కదా. now 1 is equals to 1 by 2x plus 1, no not 1 by, it is directly 2x plus 1 kada. So 1 is equals to చెప్పండి 2x plus 1 into dv, not dv re, what I am doing re into v. అంతే కదా? So what do you get the value of v from this part, sir? Spandana, we'll be done with 5 minutes only. 5 minutes. This is the last question, then we'll be done. So sir, v is equals to 1 by 2x plus 5. అంతే కదా? ఎస్. ఏం కావాలిరా? ఏం కావాలి? I want acceleration. చెప్పండి. So how to accelerate? Differentiate, sir. Again you differentiate with respect to time. So sir, d by dt of మొత్తం all of it, v is equals to 1 by 2x plus 5. I'm doing directly. చూసుకోండి dv by dt అంటే acceleration. I got it. But I have to differentiate d by dt of 1 by 2x plus 5. అంతే కదా? But the variable is t here, the variable is x here ra. So what to do now? You rewrite re. ఎలా rewrite చేయాలా? You only say, sir, this is 1 by 2x plus 5 and it is dx into again dx by dt. అంతే కదా? Finished. So you can differentiate now very easily re. అరే 1 by 2x plus 5 derivative రా చెప్పండి. So sir, acceleration is minus 2 by 2x plus 5 whole square into dx by dt. చెప్పండి dx by dt. What is dx by dt re? Again dx by dt is v only. And what is the value of v re? This only. So you do multiplication with this. So it is 1 by 2x plus 5. చేసుకోండి. So it is minus 2 in the numerator. చూసుకోండి. Minus 2 in the numerator and these two cases are gone. Sir, power 2 is there, power 1 is there. So in the denominator, power 3 will be there, sir. So this is my final answer. It should be 3 in the typing mistake, okay? It's the typing mistake. ఎందుకంటే చూసుకోండి derivative is 2x plus 1 na. How did I write 5 re? How did I write 5? Are you sleeping? Andariki, are you sleeping? You can't correct me re. If I am going wrong, you can't correct me, huh? Hey sir, we are also not understanding, sir, what you are doing. How would we correct you, sir? Plus 1, ante kada? So 2x plus 1 to the power 3. 2x plus 1 to the power 3. This is the final answer. Okay. So now I think we can end this session. Andariki. Yes, so whoever is there, like the video for the first time. Cheppandi andariki. Oh. Gone, right? Yes. Now Isha, now you are able to understand it, okay? Chalo. Done? All of you andariki? Okay, bye, bye, bye. Bye. Bye, all of you. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, Gitanjali. Bye. Like the video. If like it first. Thank you so much, Isha. Good night. Good night. No, Spandana, not yet. Actually, not yet. Bye, 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 all of you. Bye. Any more doubts you have? Good night, good night, good night. Ray, who is this Ray? Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask me, okay? Yes, it's understandable. Parimala, you will only understand with the flow of time, okay? Sure. If you don't have any doubts, thank you so much. Joshna, it means a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you. Parimala, thank you so much. Okay. Bye. Bye. Isha, thank you so much, Isha. Thank you so much. Okay. Chalo. Done? Done with the session, okay? Bye. Good night, all of you. Good night. Bye, bye, good night. Chalo. I think we can end this session, Gada. Yes, we can end it. Don't have any doubts. Chalo, bye, 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 bye. Bye, Spandana, bye. Bye, bye, bye. All of you, bye, bye, bye. So if you don't have any problems, then I think if we have... how many slides are left? How many slides are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay, 5 slides are left. So that means by tomorrow itself, your complete kinematics 1D will be completed. Okay, and then day after tomorrow, we will be starting with your kinematics 2D. Yes, same thing, same thing. Thank you so much, Vaishali. Bye, bye. 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 Ray, how many of you are in this Arjuna batch? Ray? I think no one is there, right? Good night, Spandana, good night. Good night. Raju, good night. Good night. Hey, Ray, why this guy? You should not do this, you know. Chalo, bye, all of you. Good night, good night. So let us end this session, okay? Chalo, bye. Where's the